2019 Buick LaCrosse. The Buick LaCrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless start, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, rear defrost. Come take a test drive today.